A vast amount of people all across the world are engaged in Bitcoin trading. It's because trading of Bitcoin is the best method to earn huge profits. It's an act of buying Bitcoin when the price is low and selling them when the price rises. Apart from all methods, trading cryptocurrency is the best method to earn huge profits. Traders only have to learn plenty of tips and strategies before entering into the trading market to get more chances of earning than losing. So if you want to know all the tips to become a crypto millionaire, stay until the end of the video as we'll tell you a lot of secrets that will leave you open-mouthed. We have also done another crypto video, Youngest Crypto Millionaires, you can see by clicking on the I button. Bitcoin is the most popular instrument among traders dealing in the cryptocurrency market. Since its first appearance in 2009, it has experienced exponential growth and, whilst its millionaire-making heyday is thought to have passed, it remains the most commonly traded digital asset and holds significant profit potential for savvy investors. Today, we're going to tell you the 7 tips for becoming a crypto millionaire from scratch. Number 7. Delve extensively before investing. The first step in crypto consciousness is understanding the underlying technology blockchain. Forget the tech jargon for now. No one needs to convince you of how revolutionary blockchain technology is. A good starting point is reading articles, checking online forums, and vlogs discussing cryptos. You'd soon find out why governments and corporations are exploring this nascent technology and how they're looking to integrate it into their systems, or why banks are fearful of blockchain and cryptocurrencies as a threat to their existence and looking to clamp down on its growth. This outlook will help broaden your mind to learning and seeing the possibilities of the potential of blockchain technology. It's also important not to make the mistake of trusting someone else with your funds. That defeats the entire purpose of cryptocurrencies, which was created to empower everyone with true ownership of their money without trusting any third parties such as the banks. It's extremely common for scammers to ride on newbies' naivety in this unregulated market. This therefore calls for extra caution. Number 6. Buy and hold. As discussed earlier, there are several types of Bitcoin trading strategies. The buy and hold approach is a passive strategy where positions are held anywhere from weeks to years. There are multiple benefits to this. Buying and holding Bitcoin allows you to bypass its short-term volatility. It's not unusual to see significant movement throughout any given day, which can mean your stop loss and take profit targets are easily met, throwing you out of your trade. This, in turn, can lead to overtrading, and since opening a new position is costly, overtrading can seriously eat into your profits. As a massive trader, you can keep your position open and potentially earn a good profit with little time commitment. But you still need to have a robust risk management strategy in place, with carefully considered stop-loss orders. Number 5. Understand the uses for both cold and hot wallets. Cryptocurrency can be stored via an offline cold wallet or an online hot wallet. Ease of access makes hot wallets a more desirable option for beginner investors. However, as convenient as hot wallets are, they're susceptible to being hacked, whereas cold wallets are not able to be hacked if prepared properly. Ideally, it's best to store cryptocurrency you plan on saving for a long time in a cold wallet and keep only a small amount that you might use on a daily basis in a hot wallet. Additionally, one common mistake made by many new investors is mistaking exchanges for wallets. Although it might seem convenient keeping everything online at an exchange, a common mantra you might hear others chanting goes like, "If you don't own your keys, then you don't own your Bitcoin." And when you keep your digital assets on exchanges, you don't own the keys. This can become important when exchanges go down, get hacked, or both. For example, the famous Mt. Gox incident from a few years back. Take the time to research different wallet providers. Number 4. Watch out for scammers. With no central exchange and little regulation in place, the Bitcoin market is, unfortunately, an ideal environment for scammers. Fake exchanges and wallets are common, as are phishing scams where fraudulent emails direct you to scam sites identical to the platforms you use to capture sensitive data. Malware is, of course, an issue, and without proper security measures around your Bitcoin wallet, you leave yourself open to the threat of having your account emptied. Before continuing with the last top 3 tips to become a crypto millionaire, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Wealth if you are not yet. Hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications for upcoming videos and smash that like button to help this community to continue growing with your help. Number 3. Focus on the long run. Cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Don't have the sole mentality of pursuing short-term gains, especially if you don't have the necessary trading or technical skills. Let's face it, many in the crypto markets have no idea what they're investing in and are in this only for the short-term rewards. This is a recipe for disaster. It's imperative that every investment decision is based on thorough due diligence and patience. Don't be the guy who had 1700 BTC when it was valued at $0.06. He sold it for $0.3 and was then lamenting when it reached $8. This was back in 2011. Imagine if he had hold today, it would have been worth tens of millions today. You should always be focused on the long term, as the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies are still in its infancy stages, and it could take a while before the technologies and various innovations within the cryptocurrency ecosystem are ready for mainstream adoption. Short-term trading in this extremely volatile market could be disastrous, especially if you don't have any trading expertise. Number 2. Be strict with profit targets and stop-loss orders. As mentioned, Bitcoin is unpredictably volatile, more than any other financial instrument, so it's vital to have a plan and stick to it before opening a position. Consider what level of profit you would be happy to take from the trade, what losses you can afford to shoulder, and set your target and stop-loss levels right from the start. This is one of the most important tips, as without a disciplined approach, it's all too easy to expose yourself to potentially devastating movement. Many beginner traders fall victim to greed, holding on to a position for further profit only to see prices plummet, whilst others optimistically convince themselves that a downward trend will reverse as they fall deeper into the loss zone. By being strict with your profit targets and stop-loss orders, you can easily avoid this pitfall and minimize risk. Number 1. Diversify with different cryptocurrencies. The most important Bitcoin trading tips are those that focus on mitigating risk, and diversifying your portfolio is one such tip. Too many first-time traders develop an obsession with Bitcoin's potential and fail to address its downfalls. By trading in other cryptocurrencies, you hedge your investments. If one falls in value, your loss may be offset from profit on another. Diversification can also boost your profits in good market conditions. If you've invested wisely, you could well find yourself holding multiple assets of high value. It's important not to over-dilute your portfolio though. You still need to assign a worthwhile amount of capital to each trade. Find a balance that reasonably increases your profit potential while simultaneously minimizing your exposure in any one cryptocurrency. As Bitcoin trading is such an open, complicated, and relatively new market, new threats pop up regularly. Whatever type of Bitcoin trading strategy you plan on adopting, you must place security and risk management measures at its core. As it is such a volatile market, the potential for both profit and loss is high, and first-time traders should never invest more than they can afford to lose. You should use these Bitcoin trading tips alongside other trusted resources to ensure you have a good grasp of the market and its pitfalls, understand how to conduct strategic technical analysis, and can compile a detailed risk management plan to give yourself the best chance of becoming a successful Bitcoin trader. This was all for today. Which tip did you like most for becoming a crypto millionaire from scratch? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the whole video, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible upcoming content and smash that like button for helping us with your support. Thanks for watching until the end, stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video here on Mr. Wealth.